Merci d'être si nombreux au rendez-vous de Mobilité.AI 2021. Welcome to this new edition of Mobility.AI. Tout est en place pour que vous ne perdiez pas en contenu et en capacité à échanger entre vous. Mobility.AI cette année se tient dans un mode purement virtuel. You also have 7 PhDs that are presenting their scientific work. And you also have the exhibitors virtual area where you can get in touch with partners of the conference.
We developed methods and means that ensure an adequate level of confidence that the machine will perform as intended under all foreseeable operating conditions.
You have a LiDAR system that will accurately localize your vehicles. And then you have algorithms that will also detect the environment.
So you really see the improvement and also you see the reduced entropy map in the image map that is at the left top left corner.
So thank you everybody. Again, see you in Carrefour Deal and see you next year for the third edition of the program.